Jennifer, Gardening with Dogs, and it is cold here. We went from winter straight into summer weather. I mean, we were in the 80s and 90s, and then we were like that for weeks, like 3 weeks, if not, and then we were, 70s, 80s, 90s, and now we got rain that came through. It rained all weekend, and it's windy out, and it's only in the 50s today. And so I got my sweatpants on, I got my sweatshirt on, I got my jacket on, and I wanted to get some planting done. And we're supposed to get more rain this week, so I thought this is perfect time. Let me get the plants in the ground. I'm kind of mad at myself for not doing any planting a little bit in the morning, so I could have gotten the rain for it. But what can you do? I didn't do it. So I am working on some containers today, and I will show you the plants I got in the container. But in the meantime, I finally, in my bed here that I'll show you, let me just show you. Okay, I finally added yellow into my garden. I just wanted, into my raised bed here, I wanted some color besides just pink. And so this is I think it's some Finch. Let me look at the tag. It's Supertunia Saffron Finch. And this is full sun. It's the same as everything in here is the same. It's all full sun. This gets 12 to 24 inches. It's an annual, except in zones 10A to 11B. Yeah, so it's full to part sun, normal watering. But I just wanted a little bit of different color. I thought about adding white in here, but I don't know. I just went with the yellow. I just wanted that little pop. And you're gonna see eventually it's gonna blend. I want to get a black-eyed Susan vine that's yellow, so that would this whole area will end up blending in. So they did that this morning, so I'm very happy with this. And so now let's go do the planters. I'll show you the plants and everything I got. Out the kumquat tree, and I just wanted to get rid of it. It had scale, and there's earwigs down in the dirt, so I got rid of that. I did leave some soil in there because soil, for one, is expensive, and two, the plants I'm putting in here will not reach that reach way down there. So I'm going to put fresh potting soil over the top of that, and then I'll use my plants. I think they'll be fine. It's only for this season, and we'll see how they do, but I think it'll be perfectly fine because, like I said, the roots of the plants won't touch way down there. And this is a big pot and expensive to fill. Let me fill this up. I'm just using regular potting soil. Thank you, baby, for your help.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm just going to add some Sure Start into it. The soil was heavy because of the rain. I couldn't lift it. So I'm just going to put Sure Start in there, give it a mix, and then put my plants in. But man, this was a pain in the butt. And I have another one to do, but I probably will do that later because I don't think I'm going to have enough potting soil. This took almost half of this container, took almost 2 cubic feet. And I think once I put the plants in and put more soil on the top, it's going to be pretty close to the full 2 cubic feet. Plus I had more than half a bag of, I think, 1 cubic feet. So it took a lot of soil. So we saved a little money. Let me go get the plants. Okay, I did my layout of the plants. Ooh, what's this? Spider webs. So the plants I picked out So we got our Thriller, which is a Sunfinity. Is there a tag on it? It's a Sunfinity Sunflower. And this will bloom all season until fall. And it's a perennial in my zone. It's a perennial in zones, oh, I think it's 9 through 11. Yeah, zones 9 through 11. So I'm going to put this in the background, and this should get like 3 to 4 feet, like tall and wide. So this is going to fill out, but it's going to go up and fill out. I need to cut these roses. That one doesn't look very good. But anyway, so this is my Thriller. My filler, I got some thyme, some lemon variegated thyme. I love thyme. It smells so nice, and I can use it in cooking. It's non-toxic to dogs. All these are non-toxic, and I love the smell. It's like clean. So I'm going to put this towards the back. I'm kind of mimicking my wine barrel kind of look. And then I have, this is a Petunia SuperCal Premium Purple Dawn. And that has really pretty flowers on it. And this is going to be my filler / spiller. I think it should, this one grows, let me look, 16 to 24 inches tall and 18 to 26 inches long. So I'm hoping this will spill over the edge. And then I got a white Supertunia Vista. This is how big? 18 to 32 inches. So this will get big too. This pot will be a little full, but it's all annual, so I'm okay with that. So I got the white, and then I went in with the Supertunia Saffron Finch, and again that's a a Petunia, and that will also flow. So this whole side should kind of flow with 3 different colors. We'll see how it does. And then I got an extra of the Petunia. I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm going to put it in back here. But we'll see how much room I have in the pot. I don't like jamming my pots a super lot, but it's only for the season. It's not forever, unless it comes back next year. But this is my layout, so I kind of like that. And I'm going to duplicate this look where my lime tree is in the same pot on the other side. But like I said, I don't think I have enough soil, so I probably won't do that today. I'll do that probably over the weekend. So let's get planting. Leave it, baby. Baby, no, come on, come on, baby, baby. Doesn't it look so much better? Look how good that looks. I just hope this pot survives. When I was watering it, it's all these little pieces were scraping off on the ground. You could see little orange pieces there, but I hope it survives. But I love it. I think it, Stach is right under I'm holding the tripod. But yeah, I think it looks good. I think it'll fill in nice. I'm still debating about the purple petunia in the back there, but I think it'll be okay. Because I think the sunflower will grow taller and out. And then I think hopefully the petunia, though the petunia looks like it's up a little high. We'll see. We'll see how it does. And then I'm going to mimic this where the lime tree is. That is really not doing good. But I won't take you through the same planting as I did here. I'll just show you what it looks like when it's done. But I think that looks so much better than what was in here before. So hopefully it survives okay. I feel like I'm a hot mess. My hair's like all over. It's windy, then it stops, then the sun's out. And it's like, I'm hot, I'm cold, I'm hot and cold. It's a weird weather type of day, but I'm glad I got this planted. It's something I wanted to do for a long time. You guys know, every time I was doing a video, I walk by it and be like, I think I'm gonna take that down, and I'm glad I did. It was full of scale, and then the roots at the bottom had like mold on it. So I got rid of, like I said, I got rid of most of the dirt. There was I went down pretty far. So, and then put fresh soil in, and hopefully these will take off. But yeah, I'm not looking forward to pulling the lime tree out. They both have been in about the same amount of time. I think around 2018, 19, somewhere, maybe, is it? I'll have to go back and look on photos. I saw it like one of the first plants I put in the garden. It's like, oh my God. But it just never did anything for me. And so I rather put something that makes me happy. There was like no purpose. We're just trying to keep the plant alive because it just kept getting disease. It didn't look good. We didn't get the fruit. And then when we did get like one or two little fruit, it didn't taste very good. Just tastes like orange peel. So anyway, guys, I am signing off. I want to go in and get some tea to drink. I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope you're getting some nice weather and you can get outside. Talk to you later. Bye.